Hi there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm painting Notre-Dame de Paris using a dip pen and ink finish with watercolor washes. If you love dip pen and ink drawing, watercolor architecture and urban sketching, then this video is for you. Before starting with ink, I always begin with a quick pencil sketch to block in the main shapes and proportions. This initial step helps me simplify the structure, establish balance, and make adjustments easily before committing to permanent line work. Once I'm happy with my sketch, I start drawing in ink. When working with complex architecture, I usually focus on suggesting details rather than carefully rendering every sculpture, as I find that in architectural drawing it is not important to capture every detail. Notre-Dame de Paris is one of the most iconic examples of French Gothic architecture, with constructions beginning in 1163 and continuing for nearly 200 years. Located in the Ile de la Cité in the heart of Paris, the cathedral has witnessed major historical events, including the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte in 1804. Its famous rose windows, flying buttresses, and sculpted façade have inspired artists for centuries, and it gained worldwide literary fame through Victor Hugo's novel The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Once the ink is completely dry, I begin adding watercolor. I always start with a light overall wash, then establish the shadows to define depth and structure. Dependent ink combined with watercolor is one of my favorite techniques for architectural art because it allows structure and spontaneity to coexist beautifully, making it perfect for capturing iconic landmarks like Notre-Dame de Paris. If you enjoyed this watercolor architecture tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more urban sketching videos. Thank you for sketching along with me today, and I will see you in the next video.